Indenting a paragraph is another great way to help it stand apart from the rest of a document. In this lesson, you learn to indent a paragraph, as well as indent the first line of a paragraph. In the flyer we're creating, we want to indent this entire paragraph so that it's distinct from the text above and below it. And when we're finished, it'll look like this. When you indent a paragraph, you move its edge in from the left or right margin. We'll also experiment with indenting just the first line of this paragraph. Let's get started. In step 1, I'll press Ctrl Home, and then I'll click in this paragraph. Up on the ruler, you can see that the left indent marker for this paragraph is currently at 0, which is also the left margin of the document. So, in the paragraph group, I'll click the Increase Indent button. The indent marker moves to the half-inch mark on the ruler, and the entire paragraph is indented a half-inch from the left margin. In step 2, I'll click the Decrease Indent button. The indent marker moves back to the left margin on the ruler, and the left edge of the paragraph moves back to the left as well. In step 3, we'll indent just the first line of the paragraph. Here at the top of the ruler, I'll point to the first line indent marker, and then I'll drag the marker to the 1/4 inch mark on the ruler. And the first line of the paragraph is now indented by 1/4 inch. Now, these indent markers are all close together on the ruler, so if you accidentally drag the wrong one, you can just undo it and then start again. For example, I'll drag the hanging indent marker instead, and you can see what that does to the paragraph. Now I'll just go up and click the Undo button. In step 4, I'll scroll to the bottom of page 1, and I'll place the insertion point within this quotation, which we want to indent from both the left and right margins. So I'll go up and click the Page Layout tab. In the paragraph group, the indent commands provide another way to control indents. I'll click the Indent Left text box, and I'll type 0.5. Then I'll click the Indent Right text box. I'll type 0.5 here as well, and then I'll press Enter. And now the left and right edges of the paragraph are indented 1/2 inch from the margins. In step 5, I'll press Ctrl Home, and I'll place the insertion point back in this paragraph. We've decided to remove the first line indent here, so I'll go up to the paragraph group, and I'll click the Launcher. The paragraph dialog box opens, and in step 6, here in the indentation section, you can see the current first line indent of 1/4 inch. I'll click the special list arrow, I'll click None, I'll click OK, and that first line indent is removed. Finally, I'll save the changes we made, and I'll also just change the zoom level back to 120%. To try these steps yourself, and for some helpful tips, to see a table that details the many types of indents in Word, and to learn about applying text effects, including word art, and how to clear the formatting from text if you don't like the changes you've made, turn to page Word 60 in your book.